This is the second video from the Odee Company on green printing. We're going to talk about paper, both recycling and certification. As most of us know, printing is an actual intensive user of paper products. Basically, that's what we use to print ink on. There are several ways in which we can reduce the amount of paper that we use, or reduce the amount of actual trees that are destroyed to make the paper. One such way is just like what you see here, where we can actually recycle our paper waste from our manufacturing process. This is a stitching unit, and all of the excess paper waste is recycled in these gondolas and then sent off to be made into new paper. New paper is basically defined as that would be the recycled paper. Recycled paper is paper that's going to have post-consumer waste, or PCW, in the actual making of that sheet of paper. Some of what you'll see is going to be a percentage of PCW. Certain sheets have 30%, certain sheets have an actual 100%. Many years ago, on recycled paper, if you used it as a printer, there was some real difficulties as far as the quality of the paper. As things have progressed and industry has gotten better, the recycled paper is absolutely just as good as, say, a virgin paper or virgin fiber type things. The most important step in reducing the amount of paper is this recycling of paper waste. You can also use recycled paper, that's the other step. And then one of the most important things that's come about in the last couple of years is becoming certified to using recycled paper. There are a couple of organizations in the U.S. That we are actually becoming certified on. One is FSC, which is the Forest Stewardship Council, and the other one is SFI, which is the Sustainable Forestry Initiative. Those two organizations basically give you a chain of custody that you can use to prove that you've used recyclable paper in your printed product. It goes from not only recycling of the fiber, but it also goes from actually using certified forest to where they can take that pulp to a manufacturer. The manufacturer that's going to make the paper uses that particular pulp for that particular paper product. That exact paper is then shipped to a certified printer. The printer uses only that paper to produce your product and then ships it to you. By way of doing that, you then have the chain of custody that your paper is actually being used from that initial certified forest. These two organizations support the reforestation, reduction of water pollution, and the destruction of forest habitat, as well as the displacement of tribes or indigenous people that live in the forest area. That's basically it on the paper certification or paper recycling. This is the Odee Company. You can find us on the internet, www.odeecompany.com. That's spelled O-D-E-E, company spelled out, .com. Thank you.